Alright, time for another draftphysics.com, debatephysics.com also. But, all the debaters just refuse to get anywhere near this actual subject. And in this case, the subject is that there's one experiment that just basically proves kind of absolutely and completely that their kinetic energy theory is absolute rubbish, nonsense, doesn't have anything to do with reality. It's just a fable made up by Leibniz. They've never had any good evidence of it. It's just a fact. They don't have any good experimental evidence. There just isn't any. All right, and in space, the simple argument is that you can shoot 1,000 atoms going 1 mile an hour out one side and one atom going 1,000 miles an hour out the other side. And the fact is that one of them has 1,000 times more energy. They're saying it's 1,000 watts versus 1 watt of energy. And then they're citing Newton's third law. So how can you cite Newton's third law when there obviously aren't equal and opposite reactions? And the spaceship doesn't turn. It doesn't get turned. So they're conceding it doesn't turn, the energy doesn't work, it has no power, it has no force, it has no ability to do work, it can't apply any work to the object that shot the objects out. So clearly the momentum is perfectly equal, the kinetic energy is completely unequal. What happens to the object is it proves the momentum is the controlling factor and that kinetic energy is meaningless. And it's just a fact. It proves it. And they just keep talking this jargon. It's a scalar. The energy doesn't have to do any work. It's still energy even though it's useless and can't do anything. It's still energy. No, it isn't. Energy has to be able to do work. If it can't do work, it's not energy. All right. So this is some moron, frankly. I'm sorry, but this is so redundant. I mean, I've made all these 5-minute videos. So if you go to draftphysics.com, there's a bunch of 5-minute videos there. Debunk one of them. This vague commenting on some general subject is just bullshit. The subject is thrust. The subject is that thrust proves there's no such thing as kinetic energy. And your obligation is to show how, no, that's not true. All right. Some comments. Fuck you. Your understand, so I guess you don't do English very well, of momentum conservation seems to be largely correct. Well, what's the point of saying that? I don't believe that momentum ever subtracts. I can't put 100 pounds into, like, say I take a little ball bearing. I have a closed box full of little ball bearings, and I put one in with 100 momentum. The others are all stationary, and they're all 3 times as heavy, let's say. Well, as soon as the ball bearing hits one of the 3 times as heavy ball bearings, your theory is that it keeps half of its energy, its momentum, and it gives the other thing 3 times its momentum. What it has now. So I went in with 100, let's say, momentum, and all of a sudden now I have 200 momentums of pressure in the vessel. The vessel now has twice as much energy in it, merely because a light thing hit a heavy thing. I'm saying that's absolute nonsense. It doesn't happen anywhere in the universe. It's not a fact. It's bullshit. All right. Your understanding of energy conservation is, however, not. So again, I'm not going to keep playing this game, okay? You don't own the word energy. All right, and the fact that you think it has something to do with mv squared makes you a Leibnizian. So defend Leibnizian physics. All right, don't keep pretending this is something other than one man's silly idea. Momentum is represented by vectors. All energy is represented by a vector. Energy doesn't come in any other form than a vector. Something has to move. It can't move 2 ways at the same time. It can only move one way. And the fact is, everything that has energy, everything that has motion in the universe is a vector. So it's just absolute nonsense to say there's any such thing as energy that doesn't know where it's going. It's just a lie. It's just nonsense. There's no point in talking to you. You might as well be telling me about your gremlin theory. You're making this crap up. Where is your scalar evidence? Where's your experiment that proves energy doesn't have a direction? In three-dimensional Euclidean space, which you don't believe in. So why you even mention it? Okay, this is often given as a column of three scalars. Well, it doesn't matter. Those are three directions then. So it just doesn't... What's three scalars? What does that even mean? There's three vectors. Up, down, left, right, forward, back. So I guess there's six vectors, frankly. But you can't go both ways at the same time. But the fact is that all big, large matter can only move in one vector at a time. It can't move in more than one dimension. Which, corresponding to the projections into the three orthogonal base vectors. So it's just more nonsense. It doesn't mean anything. It's just gibberish. Energy, on the other hand, is a scalar. You just said scalars in the other thing here. You're just so full of shit. A directionless quality. Well, prove it. Show me a quantity. Show me a directionless quantity somewhere. Show me that. Show me. It's just absolute baby talk. Fuck this. With only one component, whatever that even means. It doesn't have a direction. It has a silly magnitude, but it doesn't have a direction. Absolute fucking nonsense. Nothing in the universe has energy and no direction. It's not possible. Okay, kinetic energy is the non-relativistic case, is perfectly well defined by 1/2 mv squared. Again, it's just baby talk. Never proven. Leibniz suggested it with the theory that 4 pounds dropped 1 foot is the same as 1 pound dropped 4 feet in terms of the energy, the impact. It's not true. You don't have any fucking experiments. So again, until you show me an experiment where it takes 25 times the fuel to spin something 5 times as fast, you're just talking absolute shit. All right, this shorthand for the dot product, since energy is directionless, fuck you in the ass till goddamn motherfucking dead. Nobody should be allowed to say that. Directionless energy. I mean, it's too fucking stupid. I mean, there's no excuse for anybody to think there's any possibility there's something called energy and it doesn't have a direction. There's motion in the universe, but it's not in any direction. I mean, it's just such crap. All right, comparing the energy going east versus west is not using it the way it is intended to be. Intended by your religion. I'm not going to wear your fucking yarmulke. I'm not going to wear your whatever mullah, your turban. I'm not going to wear any of your garb. Okay, I'm not one of you religious mullah kooks. Kinetic energy has nothing to do with moving matter. So it has nothing to do with reality. Okay, that's the fact. So it sits there and says not fully wrong. So again, more baby talk, not fully wrong. What is that? So there's something that's not fully wrong. Oh, fuck you. When thinking about the motion of matter in the elementary case, momentum is often more helpful. So again, this isn't about what's helpful. It's about what the fucking truth is. If your energy can't do work, it's not energy. Clearly, momentum can do work. It can move spaceships. Kinetic energy can't. Therefore, it's not real. There's no point in saying 5,000 watts went that way and only 1 watt went that way. There's no point in saying it because you never measured it, and it's absolutely not a fact. The bullet doesn't have 1,000 times more energy than the gun's recoil. It's not a fact. You've never proven it. You can't show it to be true. The ballistic pendulum proves it isn't true. And you just keep typing this tripe. Okay, I'm not fully sure what you mean by the kinetic energy theorem. I'm talking about 1/2 mv squared. What the fuck do you think that is? It's a theorem. It's a formula. I don't know what else to call it. It's clearly not anything to do with anything real. It's not real energy. It's a made-up fable. It's a story you tell. You have no fucking physical evidence it's true. I'm going to assume you mean conservation of energy. No, I don't mean that, you fucking cunt. What I mean is you don't conserve your kinetic energy. There is no conservation. The 10-ton train going 5 miles an hour, where I add 5 tons to it, and now it's a 10-ton train going 5 miles an hour. Start off 10 miles an hour. You claim the kinetic energy just disappears. One half the kinetic energy just disappears. What do you know about conservation of anything, you fucking piece of shit? Which is, in this case, would state that the total kinetic energy plus potential energy, more baby talk about potential energy. So a boat sitting on the side of a stream has potential energy. Fucking mindless mush. Remains constant unless supplied by an external source. Blah, blah, blah. Your rejection of the concept of energy. No, I haven't rejected it at all. Newton didn't reject it. Galileo didn't reject it. Descartes didn't reject it. They called it quantity of motion. They didn't call it energy. And again, you have no physical evidence any of your assertions are true. It does not, in fact, take 25 times the fuel to move something 5 times as fast. It's absolute fable nonsense. It's not true. It's not in the physical reality. You have no evidence for it. It's just religious dogma. Has some rather grand implications. What would be the fucking implication? That momentum is true and your shit isn't. The implication is that, all those 400 fake particles we invented aren't real. Yes, you measured the weight of an electron wrong, which you obviously did because, frankly, the atomic weight isn't your material weight, and it really should be. The fact is, you're just made out of electrons and protons, and they should add up to your fucking weight. The neutrons really are just electrons and protons. Anyway, the existence of energy is well established. Liar, fucking liar. You haven't established any of it. Not a single fucking shred of it. You never proved a goddamn bit of it. You've never even taken a fucking goddamn scale and done the simplest of experiments. Put something on the fucking scale, you weaselly cunt. Then lock the scale in that position and turn it sideways and see how fast it shoots the object away. And that'll tell you how much force gravity is applying. But you weasels haven't even done that experiment, you lying little sacks of shit. Alright. Is well established and is mathematically proven. What a fucking lie. It's absolute lie to sit there and say you ever proven it's 25 times the fuel to go 5 times as fast. You haven't proven it anywhere, you liar. Okay, as the conserved current, I don't know what that means, corresponding to the continuous time symmetry under Noether's theorem. Oh, fuck you. What a pile of nothing that is. So again, more obscure nonsense like your Hamiltonians and all your other bullshit. Absolute jargon, nothing else. This is readily derivable, and I would strongly encourage you to go fuck yourself. Get what you deserve, you lying little weaselly sack of shit. Okay, encourage you to look up the proof. There's no fucking proof. Okay, he says Parkins and Schrodinger. Schrodinger basically told you you're all full of shit. Your magical fucking goddamn ESP electrons. He mocked the whole fucking idea. Hence, by denying energy, I'm not denying energy, I'm denying a fable that you have no evidence for. Absolutely zero fucking physical evidence that this fucking silly fable is the truth. You not only deny all areas of modern physics, that's right, I deny the fact that any of you jackasses have any integrity, that you know anything, you know what the fuck you're even talking about. You again have evaded every fucking opportunity to prove the case. You've had 300 fucking years to show me 4 pounds dropped 1 foot doing more damage. Doing the same damage as 1 pound dropped 4 feet. You've had 300 years to prove the experiment. Where have you done it? Oh, that's right, never. Oh, fuck you. But also many areas of mathematics is, yeah, well, fuck you in the ass till dead with your fucking lie-matics. It's not mathematics, it's bullshit, made-up, fake crap. MV squared. It's going 30 miles per hour. Yeah, it's per hour. We say so. Oh, fuck, I goddamn hate you people. Essentially, any that uses calculus. Calculus has absolutely nothing to do with mv squared. Alright, so what a fucking lying, weaselly pile of shit. Fucker. Alright. Yeah, that's enough. Oh, I just hate you fucking scum. You gutless pieces of shit. I mean, really, the video is clearly, it's right in the goddamn fucking video. Why can't you pay attention to the fucking goddamn video? It's right here in the fucking video. Here's your paradox, your problem, you motherfucking piece of shit. So I did the rocket thing. Let's just say I take a stick, okay? And the stick has two things on it, okay? One part, it's a gun, okay? And the stick is inside the gun, just like a bullet. Okay, and a little explosion's going to go off right there. And on the other side, it's just a gun, okay? The gun is stuck to the stick, and it's going to shoot the bullet. Your theory says, okay, that I shoot 1,000 times the energy this way. 1,000 times less. And this bullet has 1,000 times more energy. Okay. That's your theory says. Alright. Your scalar, it has a scalar energy 1,000 times greater than what went out the other side. Yet the stick doesn't move. So I fire the two guns at exactly the same time. The stick doesn't do a motherfucking thing. One gun flies off. Okay. 1,000 atoms going 1 mile per hour, and we have one atom going 1,000 miles per hour. We have a big V and a little m, and we have a big M and a little v, and you have no explanation. How can your energy be real if the stick didn't move? Just keep lying. I mean, will you answer the fucking question? How can the energy be real if it can't move a little tiny stick? It can't move the piece of matter. I've just shot 1,000 times more energy in one direction than the other direction. And then you'll recite the third law to me like you give a shit about it? Oh, an equal and opposite reaction. Well, I have 1,000 times the energy going this way than I have that way. How is that an equal and opposite reaction? Or action? I mean, you're just pathetic liars to just not concede. Okay, it doesn't make any sense. How the fuck can we say it's real energy when it can't move the spaceship? It can't move a force differential of 1,000 times can't make something move. Then it's not a force. If the differential doesn't make anything happen, it can't be a real differential. It can't really exist. And the clear answer is, well, yes, the momentum is dead even, so obviously momentum is in control. Momentum is controlling how things move in the universe. It's the obvious conclusion. There is no other conclusion possible, and you have zero physical fucking evidence disputing any of that. You lying little scumbag. And you'll arrogantly talk to me what I need to understand, you fucking piece of scum. So fuck you all in the asses until dead. You are such pieces of fucking evasive, cowardly scum. Deal with the argument or go to fucking hell. Yeah. Damn it. God, I just hate this fucking planet covered with scummy humans. Lying sacks of arrogant, obnoxious, religious kook shit. Fabulists.